Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and I am here at MAG in Columbus, coming to get the Gallardo. I'm gonna go over the problems so far, all of the problems that I have with this Gallardo. So this is the Lamborghini dealership, so let's go check it out.
Huge shout out to Will Motivation, guys. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel at Will Motivation, dude.
Will Motivation on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check him out.
We about to run Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Just saw Will from Will Motivation. If you don't know who he is, just go ahead and type in Will Motivation on YouTube and you'll find him.
Will Motivation, satin white Hurricane to drive.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation.
Go check out Will Motivation's channel on YouTube.
Check out this Urus. I'm not gonna ask if we should get one of these on the channel because I'm already tell you I'm not doing that. I'm not doing an Urus, but I'm enjoying my newly purchased Gallardo. Oh, look at this yellow one from the great state of Kentucky. That's nice. But they got mine ready to go, so we're gonna take that. But this is a nice, that's nice, man. I'm not sure what year that is, but I'm guessing it's a 04, 05. But yeah, there's mine right there. The new wrap. Get it ready to go. Okay, so I'm inside. Just talked to the service department, and they're putting my car back together right now. Pretty major repair needed on the AC compressor. Kind of expensive. And also needed a fuel sending unit, which I expected. There's two fuel sensors or sending units that send information about how much gas is in the tank on the two tanks. One of them's bad, so we're just going to replace both of them. And that wasn't as expensive, but you know, definitely going to be a cost. So, and the key is going to cost me about 500 bucks for a new Lamborghini key. They actually have to order it from the factory overseas and then bring it here. So I'm definitely gonna get a new key because I want to have that spare, and then I'll figure out what to do about the fuel sending unit and the AC compressor. Maybe I'll try to do the work myself, we'll see. But anyway, let's look at some sweet cars they have in the showroom. All right, you guys, so somebody wants to buy a 488 GTB 2017, $239. It's got the factory warranty on it. Look at that. Brand new 488 right here. This one's gonna cost you a little bit more. This one's gonna cost you $301,163. It's a 2019 488 GTB. It's another one. I like this one right here, man. It's got that camo interior in it. Let's see how much this one costs. 2016 for $242. So that seems like that's probably the better deal right there. But this is a 488, and I believe this is a 458. Let me double check that. No, this is a 488 too. So it's a better deal right there. But look at that one. That's mean too right there. Guess how much that one costs? Drop a comment. Let's go see. 306 for 2019 GTB 488. Very nice. This is, I believe, an A12 Ferrari. I'm not real fond of these, man. They got that shoe shape. Damn, that's almost 400,000. 398 for 2018 GTC4 Lusso. You guys drop me a comment if you know anything about this. I like the interior though. It's got that wine color interior. Looks nice. This has to be your thing. If you get one of these, it's got to be your thing. Then we've got the convertible. How much is this one? Portofino, 288, 619. So 288,000. You can get one of these. I think I'd rather have 488 than one of those. And then we got the famous F12. So as I sit here, got to thinking that yo, now's the time, man. A lot of you guys see that I do real estate investing, right? I'm looking at all these nice cars in here. I got my Gallardo here getting serviced. Got this Aventador behind me that I'm looking at, drooling over. And you know, the thing is, you got to think about the future, right? What's going on right now? A lot of people are predicting that there's going to be a downturn in the economy. Never know, don't know how bad that's going to be. But either way it goes, you always want to be ready to be able to take advantage of opportunities that come up. And if the economy goes down, everybody that watches this channel, listen to me, that you don't panic, that you prepare now and be ready to make investments if the economy does go down. Everybody that watches this channel, listen to me, that you don't panic, that you prepare now and be ready to make investments if the economy does go down, all right? So that's the thing, man. So I'm sitting here thinking, see all these nice cars here, man. I'm like, you know, I could do this, I could do that. But before I do anything, I want to prepare to be able to make investments in real estate if the economy does turn down. Now, if it does start turning down, it's probably gonna take a while before it bottoms out. And when it bottoms out, that's when you wanna, that's the best time to buy. So, you know, I have my eyes on that. Now, if a lot of you guys are wondering, you know, what the heck am I talking about? You know, how do I even approach or prepare to start investing in real estate? Now's the time for you to consider learning about investing in real estate. I have a lot of videos on my channel that you can check out. I started another YouTube channel called Real Estate 101. You can check out that channel. But if you're serious about learning, I organized, thanks to you guys who asked me to do this, I organized an online course, and it's basically how to make money investing in real estate. And I lay out everything I've ever learned about how to invest in real estate, and I put it in the course. I even include all of the purchases I made, all of the numbers behind that, so that you guys could basically take advantage. How you doing, my man? You good? So if you guys are interested in that, I'll put a link in the description, or you can just go to willmotivation.com/invest. Special shout out and thanks to everybody that's taken the course so far. And those of you that are going through it now, I appreciate all your input, appreciate that support, and I am here for you. So I know we got a few recent people, I'll slide their names up across the screen, that just got the course. So don't worry, man, I'm looking forward to you guys having some success. But yeah, now's the time to get ready, man, so that if the economy does turn down, you guys can do just like what I did the last time it turned down, and you know, start buying up real estate for cheap. And then when it comes back, then you know, you become a millionaire based on your investments. You know, you could buy $300,000, $400,000 worth of property in a downturn, and then after the downturn, it comes back, could be worth millions. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you guys are interested in that course, link in the description, or go to willmotivation.com/invest. And yeah, now let's get back to these cars. All right, so they're getting me together here. Appreciate the hospitality over here at MAG. Shout out to their service manager. I'll show you, I'll put their information in this video. But yeah, this F12, man, it's nice. Guess the price of this F12. I know they're not cheap, and I don't know if this one's new or not, but this F12 Berlinetta, I'm guessing it's a 2019. It looks brand new. Let's go find out. But what's your guess, guys? Well, how much this thing costs, man? 2069. Not too bad. It's a 2014, but man, it looks brand new. Black interior looks a little better. Look at that. Look at the yellow gauge. That's sweet. That yellow gauge is dope. Got another Portofino here. I haven't seen anybody driving these in Columbus. And we got the Huracan Evo. Should we get one of these? I think that front end is a little busy for my taste. I like the classic 610-4, the original Huracan. So I think I'm gonna stick with mine, but let's see how much it costs. This one is $307,319. It's got a lot of options on it, so it's a Lambo, man. It's dope. The orange accents and the interior dope. I would love to upgrade my interior to be more like these new ones, but I'm gonna give you guys a side profile. Huracan Evo, right there. There's another one right here. Grigio. I don't know if this is Grigio Telesto, but it's like a metallic gray. Got another one right here. Oh, Spider. So these Spiders just came out. They're trying to go with the Ferrari look for the interior. Dope. They don't even have a price one on this yet. Oh wow, look at this paint job. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? It's black, but it's got orange flake in it. So it's like fire black. I don't know what they call it, but it's got a whole bunch of reddish orange flake in it. Here's another one right here. They got a bunch of Evos in here. But to be honest, if I could have anything in this showroom right now, I believe it would be this black on black Aventador. Dang, that looks sinister. I think we need one of these for the channel. All right, here's what you guys gotta do. Drop me a comment. Do you guys think we should get an Aventador for the channel next, or a Ferrari for the channel next? Aventador spit fire, man. Something about spitting fire. It's a big car though. 289. That's not too bad. 2015. That's actually a good price. Well, it's got high miles on it. That's a good price. 13,000 miles. That's a really good price for this. That's a really, really good price, actually. Maybe I should be talking to them about this car, man. And I'm not joking. They're usually, if you go online and look, they're usually a lot more than that for a 2015. The cheaper ones are the 2012s and the 2013s. They're cheaper. You can get those for like $229 on up. But a 2015 for less than 300 grand, they must have had this for a long time. I'm gonna look this one up when we get home, and I'm gonna see how long they've had it and why the price is so low. Dang, man. I could picture that in my garage, man. Black, I could wrap it whatever color I want because it's black. It's really kind of like a charcoal when you look up close. It's more of a charcoal, but it's got the red calipers already. Man, could this be the one? Tell you what, man. The only thing that has me hesitant is the economy. Everybody's predicting that we're gonna have another recession and a crash. And I'm not so much worried about it, but I want to have my money freed up to be able to start buying property, more and more property, if we do have a recession or a market crash, anything like that. I want to be ready for it. So if we're looking to talk about my message for today, is, man, be ready when opportunity knocks. Be ready to strike and take action. So while I want this Aventador right here, my pause and hesitation is I want to have my money and my cash ready to strike if the economy does take a downturn. I want to be ready to buy some more property. So that would have me hold off on something like this. Plus, you guys saw one of my more recent videos. I got notified that one of my biggest contracts is it's coming to an end in the next year or so. So what does that mean? I got to find some way to replace that revenue. And you know, it's not about panicking, but it's about looking forward, treating your customers that you have the best that you can treat them. And you know, just being ready for what tomorrow brings, whatever that might be. So if we do have a downturn in the economy, I want to be ready to take action and make another come up. You know, last time the economy turned down, I was prepared for it, had a lot of money saved up, the most I ever had at the time, and I invested all of it in real estate. And next thing you know, I'm at these dealerships able to afford these cars. But before that point in time, I could have took all that money I had saved up and bought one of these, but then I would have had none of that real estate that I got. And I ended up buying as much real estate as I could. I ended up getting over 35 properties. But if I had went and bought a car or something like that, then I might not have been in a position to buy all that real estate that I bought. So that's sort of like the lesson for the day, man. It's like, have self-restraint, because as much as I want this right here, man, I want that car. Like, it's even a good price. If it depreciates, it wouldn't be so much, you know, percentage-wise. I could wrap that mug any color. It's a local dealership. Like, I really, for real, like, if I was living life on the edge, you know, I would get this right here. I would get that right there. But I'm practicing self-restraint. I'm gonna play with my Gallardo that I got, and I'm gonna get ready just in case. But wait a minute, what if I traded in my Gallardo for this and just made payments on the balance? Damn. Hey man, drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think if we should trade the Gallardo in for an Aventador. I need to think about that.